Bodiam Castle is a 14th century moated castle near Robertsbridge in East Sussex. It was built in 1385 by Sir Edward Dallengrig, former knight of Edward III, with the permission of Richard II, ostensibly to defend the area against French invasion during the 100 Years' War. Of quadrangular plan, Bodiam Castle has no keep, keeping its various chambers built around the outer defensive walls and inner courts. Its corners and entrance are marked by towers and topped with crenellations. Its structure, details and situation in an artificial watery landscape indicate that display was an important aspect of the castle's design as well as defence. Possession of Bodiam Castle passed through several generations of the Dallengrigs until their line became extinct when the castle passed by marriage to the Lucknow family. During the War of the Roses, Sir Thomas Lucknow supported the House of Lancaster, but when Richard III of the House of York became king in 1483, a force was dispatched to besiege Bodiam Castle. It is unrecorded whether a siege went ahead, but it is thought that Bodiam surrendered without much resistance. The castle was confiscated but returned to the Lucknows when Henry VII, the House of Tudor, became king in 1485. Descendants of the Lucknows owned the castle until at least the 16th century. By the start of the English Civil War in 1641, Bodiam Castle was in the possession of John Tufton, 2nd Earl of Thanet. He supported the Royalist cause and sold the castle to help pay fines levied against him by Parliament. The castle was subsequently dismantled and was left as a picturesque ruin until its purchase by John Fuller in 1829. Under his auspices, the castle was partially restored before being sold to George Cubitt, 1st Baron of Ashcombe, and later to Lord Curzon, both of whom undertook further restoration work. It has been owned by the National Trust since 1925, donated by Lord Curzon on his death, and is open to the public.
Dante in chaos forever.